today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a ClickUp List ID. If you've ever needed to locate your list ID while working in ClickUp, you've come to the right place. Whether it's for integrations, automations, or just your own curiosity, we'll take you through the process in a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to ClickUp. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you aren't yet familiar with ClickUp, it is a work management tool that can help you organize tasks and streamline your projects. Getting accustomed to its interface will be really beneficial. Once you're in ClickUp, look for the space option within your workspace. Spaces are essentially containers within ClickUp where you can organize your lists and tasks according to different projects or teams. By clicking on a space, you will enter into a more detailed view where you can see all the lists associated with that space. Next, locate the list you're interested in. To the right, you'll see an icon represented by 3 vertical dots, commonly referred to as an ellipsis or options menu. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with more actions you can take for that list. Now, from that drop-down menu, look for the option that says Copy ID. Clicking this will automatically copy the list ID to your clipboard. This ID is a unique identifier for that specific list and can be used for various purposes, such as in your integrations with other software tools, tracking or referencing within documentation and communication with your team. And that's it. It's a simple but often overlooked function that can be very useful. Being able to quickly find and utilize your list IDs can significantly streamline your workflow, especially if you're someone who frequently works with APIs or various project integrations. In conclusion, having your ClickUp List ID handy opens up a realm of efficient possibilities, from enhancing your automated workflows to simplifying data management tasks. It's one small step that offers great convenience across a range of professional scenarios. Don't forget to explore further within ClickUp to see how these IDs can play a role in more complex settings or automations. If this guide helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more ClickUp tips and productivity hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.